Surface area of solids. In geometry, there are various types of solids. Solids are in 3D because they have 3 dimensions: width, depth, and height. The bodies which occupy space are called solids, such as cube, sphere, cuboid, cylinder, cone, etc. Surface area is the total area of the faces of a solid figure. The lateral surface area of a solid is the surface area of the solid without the bases. Let's understand surface area of different solid. Cube. We can see 6 square faces with equal area A square. Therefore, the surface area of cube is 6A square. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square. A cuboid is a solid whose faces are rectangular. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LW plus LH plus WH, where L is equal to length, W is equal to width, H is equal to height of cuboid. Cylinder has 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. Surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h, where r is equal to radius and h is equal to height of the cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. Total surface area of a hollow cylinder is equal to the area of internal curved surface plus area of external curved surface, area of external curved surface plus area of the 2 rings. A cone has 1 curved surface and 1 flat surface. Therefore, surface area of a cone is equal to pi r plus L. A sphere is a solid in which all the points on the round surface are equidistant from a fixed point, known as the center of the sphere. Distance from the center to the surface is radius. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 1/2 of a sphere is called a hemisphere. Surface area of a hemisphere is equal to half of the surface area of a sphere. Therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square.